I made $1.67 million from free SEO traffic. So now I'm going to show you how I did it, plus how you can get free SEO traffic too. And I'll break down the #1 hack to increase your conversion rates. So how did it all begin? Well, I'm embarrassed to say this, but 7 years ago, I started out on Fiverr.com writing SEO articles for a measly $5 per 500 words. In fact, back then, I never even dreamed I would make this much. So am I about to tell you that I wrote 334,000 articles for $5 to make 1.67 million? No. That would be mental. Here's what I did instead. I built an SEO agency and published hundreds of videos and blogs about SEO. More about that in a minute. This generated thousands of clicks to my website, getting a ton of new agency clients on board. And let me tell you something crazy. I don't even get a lot of SEO traffic. In fact, this is what most business owners don't understand. It does not matter how much traffic you get, it's how you turn that traffic into money. So if you take one thing from this video, it's this. I've spent 7 years figuring this out, so please learn from my mistake. The business with the highest lifetime customer value wins. Because of that, we just focus on 2 things to scale to over $1 million. #1, higher ticket clients, and #2, customer retention. And by the way, we actually made more than 1.67 million. This screenshot was just from Stripe and doesn't include PayPal, Upwork, or bank transfers. And here's how. I reject 60% of the clients that come to me and focus only on clients ready to seriously invest in SEO, which means that we make 10 times more money from the clients we get, and they get 10 times better results. But you can't do this without product market fit. You need a service that you know converts and you know your customers want. My agency already has that, so we just needed to reach more people. And that's why we took advantage of free traffic from 2 of the biggest search engines in the world, YouTube and Google. Now, you probably already know this. Attention is the #1 currency right now. 1 billion hours of YouTube content is watched every single day, and Google has 5.4 billion searches daily. And that's why I created an insane number of videos. In fact, I've published over 330 times on YouTube. And in every video, I just included links to my agency's website. Now, what happened next was crazy. We generated thousands of client leads. In fact, videos I published 4 years ago still generate views and traffic today. This is the easiest way to grow your business, folks. Just imagine that every video you create is a piece of digital real estate, which you can use to generate traffic to your website for years. And this is the ultimate sales channel for almost any business. Here's why. People buy from those who they know, like, and trust. And most of our clients watch our videos before they sign up, which leads me to the next way you can generate sales. And this is the easiest way I've ever generated traffic without any extra work. Repurpose your content. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. #1, I take my YouTube videos. #2, I get a VA to transcribe them into blogs and publish them. #3, I build backlinks to those pages and watch the traffic roll in. But there's still a big problem you need to solve. Just getting SEO traffic and monetizing it well will not get you where you want to be without what I'm about to show you. You can get all the free traffic in the world, but if you're not converting it, what's the bloody point? There are YouTubers with channels 10 times the size of mine, but they don't make any money. And that brings me onto the final and most crucial piece of the puzzle. Your sales system will make or break your business. You need to convert traffic at the highest rate possible. How do we do it? Well, we set up a CRM, an email warm-up system, hired a sales team, and create a high converting sales funnel. And then you have to continually iterate the process over and over and over again every single week, improving it at every step. It's not sexy, but it works. But that's the story for another day. And if you want me to release a video on it soon, let me know in the comments. So now you know how I made over $1.67 million from free SEO traffic, how to scale your SEO traffic, and the sales systems that you need to do that. Thanks for watching.